Hey, Griff. Show us how you crawl. What's that, a book? Oh, you like to read, huh? Oh, it must be a funny book. Which one do you want to read first? Maybe that one? Maybe the middle one?